Hello and welcome to the Brick Freaks. Today we're building a modular building from Mould. It's the Nova Town series, the corner post office. 16010, around 4K pieces. It's a stolen mock. So, like most Mould King sets, not all, but really most. Instructions look quite alright. That looks good. That looks manageable. We have 10 building steps, or at least we have 10 bags with numbers. Yes, 1 to 10. This has building steps, so that's nice. I ordered this a long time ago, but it was out of space. I don't know, nobody knows where it was for 3 weeks, and last week it came. And so you don't see the Sembo Audi R8. You have to watch one part of this, then I finish assembling the Sembo, and then I will return to this here. There are 2 links in the video description. One goes to the shop where you can buy the set, sorry. And the other link goes to the original instruction from the original designer, and if you can afford it, please buy the original instructions. So it's a lot of work. Not doing the modular in digital design. That's easy. I made this. I have a lot of modulars in my computer, but to make instruction, that's a really annoying and hard work, because you will make and overlook so much things. So much mistakes and overlook things, and so please buy the original instructions. Okay, it comes with a green base plate. I will use a light bluish gray. I always use. Then we have a 10th bag full of handcuffs and plates, and then we have a LED lighting set. Yeah, I'm skeptical about the quality, but we will see. We give it a fair shot. Okay, so let's start to assemble this thing. So building step 1 is done. It's always the same with the modulars. Tiling and lay the first layers of bricks and plates for the house, the structure. And that's always a part I really like. The quality is good, no problems at all. The tiles are not so glossy as from Lego, they are a little bit more made, but from quality wise, it's nice to work with. What Mould King doesn't have, or I don't remember if they ever have had prints here. The newspaper is made with stickers, and here the computer, the clock, and the letters are also made with stickers. That's a thing I don't like. Well, these are really okay. They have made modulars till now. This is their first wave of modular, and I believe they will make more, because there are a lot of mocks out there they can steal, and so they will perhaps invest in a printing machine. Tiling is nice here. It's the colors are looking good together. Nothing fancy. A lot of boxes. Here we have Mould King has. These are obviously Go Bricks pieces. They don't have the masonry bricks with both sides, with the profile of the masonry. And here the instructions shows to lay the profile outside, here inside, outside. These are on both sides. The 4 length ones, oh no, sorry, they don't have profile on both sides. And here the line outside and the profile inside. Till now, a pleasure to build. I hope it stays this way. Half through building step 2. We assembled a ladder or staircase, stairs, oh, it's no ladder, it's stairs, sorry for that. And what's clever is, because this is a slope-based stair, he wanted to have here is what happens with old houses when they're standing through, slowly get down. There you got this cracks in the wall, and here is a slope that is fixed with the staircase. So he used the technique for two reasons. That's nice. Not only for obvious optical purpose, here for structural purpose, and that's cool. I love these small pillars here. It's made with the modified blades, 12 of them stacked together. That's a nice work, stacking blades together. Okay, but it looks cool, and I haven't seen this technique before, so that's nice. Always nice to have new techniques. What is good that the doors and the windows are staying closed or opened in the angle I like, not in the angle gravity likes. Okay. More walls, two big cupboards, and they don't have a nice building technique, they are fake. But you see this brown and this brown, here the handcuffs, they are in an extra bag, and that's not a GoBricks bag. So Mould King couldn't get the handcuffs from GoBricks, so they ordered from another company, and they used the Snickers. Oh, I found the Snickers. He is not brown anymore, he is brown white or other chocolate after 6 months over the date. It looks just this way. The cupboards are nice. That's a nice interior. It's plain. It's very nice. But there's a mistake in this picture. Do you see it? Do you see it? I see it. I see it clearly. So nowadays the woman at the front of the post office are normally behind these riot shields or spit plates. Huh? That's a good old post office before fucking virus. Sorry for the term. So building step 2 is done, and brought us this really nice customer room from the post office. Here, perhaps you wondered that these newspapers were without any gravity standing in the air. No, here we have now the part that holds it. And a nice facade here. Really, it's plain, okay, but this is nice. The building technique for this here, for the whole entrance thing here, is really cool. That's nice. That's entertaining. And I haven't seen the building technique before. And with the staircase and usage of the place here for boxes and ladders, I believe this is a very, very good first floor. And yeah, not too fancy, not too boring. That's really, really well made. Oh, the post. So half through building step 3. What is funny, we tiled like all modulars after finishing the first floor. You tile everything that you can remove easily. The second floor, everybody knows. Yes, everybody knows. But here they integrated the staircase into this tiling. That's cool. So this is really cool. Yeah, it's a cool stairs. or staircases. It's really well designed. It's nice. The front of the post office got its windows and door. Here we have a missing pillar. I will show you in a second. I like this first floor. I like the facade here. It's really looking noble, but not too fancy. This is a building that could be here in my, or not in my home city. It's the ugliest city in Germany, but in a neighbor city. It's called Mannheim. New York has stolen the street. Mannheim has this 400 years ago invented the system of always straight streets and quadrants, and there we have a lot of buildings. This is early 20th century, the 19th till 1912, 1914, then the World War, and then from 1920 to 1930. A lot of buildings here in Germany are looking not exactly this way, but in a kind of. Okay, the most are built after the war again, to be honest, because Germany looked not very nice after World War II, I have to say, and yes, now it's a little bit nicer here. Building step 3 is done. We've got a lantern, a small bank to sit, or what is it called in, I don't know the English term, you know what I mean. And it has studs, no tiles. A small plant, a round plant, and two, yes, it's a post office, so we need these here, the mailboxes. On 4 parts it's double tiled, or not double tiled, but over the length of 5 tiles here. Perhaps this is for the balconies from the first floor. We will see. Yeah, it's some. There are. It has to do with the building technique of the next floor. So, but bricks and tiles. This is a good first floor. A really good modular at the moment. I like it. I like the building techniques. The quality is fine. It is well secured, everything. So this is a really well designed, well made and good looking modular at the moment. I don't know if it's in the end, because I've seen the colors. We have to see it in real life. Is it too fancy or too colorful? But this is great. So the next floor, no fancy technique, nothing special. Like most modulars, a lot of blades together, stacked into layers. Some uses 3 layers, some use bricks. It doesn't matter, it's always the same. Studs on the side, we will see what we'll get there. A small balcony. And now we are starting, yes, the yellow color. But it will be here or something. I don't know exactly. Oh, no, here. So it will lay there. And the rest of the facade we are looking at will be only here on the side walls, I believe. It will be yellow. Only some yellow accents here. And that's easy to change if you want. Just use other 1x1 tiles. I believe I will do this. Use other tiles here for this part. And perhaps other plates underneath. We will see. Oh no, I build it like it's meant to be, and after the review I will change it a little bit. So here we finished building step 4. Got a nice painting, 4 seats, and a lamp. Here's something. This is a painting class or something. That's nice. I don't know what this here. Should this be a bird, a parrot, or I don't know, or just some piece of art? I don't know. In front, that looks nice. This here looks a little bit milky, but it isn't, because the 1x5 in transclear always looks a little bit milky, but this is the breaking of the light. So it looks different. With the normal panels, the 1x6, 1x5x6, not 1x5, they don't have this effect. Same as here on the glasses. It's the same material as the doors, and the doors are good visible. And we have here the staircase to the last floor. No tiling on the floor, that's a little bit sad, but that's easy to manage. Just do it yourself. I'm curious. I believe this is all the window. Goes it around here? We have a look, huh? Just have a look. Yeah, this is the whole space for the diagonal window. I'm curious how they made it. Perhaps with the form piece for this 45 or what is it, 45 degree angled door from the assembly square. I believe this was the first set with that door. It's nice. And I believe this thing, this set, this building will look much better in real life than on the pictures. Or I hope so. So I attached the second front here. It's the same building technique as this. And here the 45 degree angle door I mentioned in the take before. Oh man, I'm the king of rap. My rhymes are the best. Don't wonder about the noise. That's the rabbits from my daughters, and the rabbit is used to get outside the cage when I'm building here, and so she's terrorizing. But now there's no noise. I believe she opened the cage alone. She can do this when she have enough time. Okay. This looks good. This looks good. So building step 5 is done and brought us here the second floor. It's finished. And this looks really cool. These here are 4 times the same piece you're building, and click it on the facade. No problem. This here is nice in the tan and sand green. And I have to admit that this building looks much better than on the pictures. I bought this here only, okay, it's a corner building, the colors are okay, but I expected, for me, I buy this set and build it for the review, and then I tear it down and use all the good parts for another building. But I believe I will keep this, because the yellow and the orange are not so dominant as I thought they would be. The rest here is really cool. The first floor, the colors, black, sand green and tan, that really looks awesome. It's well designed, so everything is sturdy and no problems at all. The quality of the pieces were I expected. It's Mould King, so they use GoBricks pieces. Everything is fine. The transclear pieces are okay, not brilliant, but are absolutely okay. Not worse than the Danish monopolist or wood. Okay, forget this. Not monopolist, but he is the. What what do we say, world market leader. So we see this. Perhaps here, this here, I have to look how I get this here clicked in, but the rest is really great. So this is part 1. I hope you are watching when I assemble in part 2 this thing to the end, and in part 3 I will make a closer review and say my final thoughts about the set. But at the moment I'm really happy with it. It's absolutely okay. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm Frank from the Brick Freaks. Have a good time till we see us again or you hear me again. Bye bye.